Hey girl, welcome to the club, to Bee Club, your new beauty business home. Bee Club is the only membership for beauty artists and business owners like you who want to take their businesses and their income to the next level. Bee Club is your spot for all, and I mean all the resources, how-tos, tools, and motivation you need to build a successful beauty business. I'm Alex. I'm the girl, the artist, the business owner, the educator behind Brow Tab and Bee Club. And just like you, I am a beauty artist and a business owner. I have built my own successful lash and microblading businesses and scaled beyond my one-on-one clients by adding in-person education, a product line, online education, and now Bee Club. And I'm so happy to finally be relaunching Bee Club. I have wanted to bring this to our industry for so long. An easy and affordable way for beauty artists to build successful businesses and to bring us all together, all of us beauty artists who are serious about business and success. And there are lots of other amazing groups and forums and communities out there, don't get me wrong, to help you expand your skills, your beauty skills. And I love that. We definitely need that too, but we also need this. And that's why Bee Club focuses on business, mindset, and success. So let Bee Club be your business home, a hub for information where you can come to and get what you need all in one place, where you can ask questions and actually get like real answers, but also where you can connect with other beauty artists and business owners going through the same steps of growth as you. The club is set up in a sense that it's a membership, so you have access to all of the content right away, along with the new content that drops monthly. So you can pick and choose where you want to start, what you need now, and what you want to use in the future. But I would like to ask you to please start with goal setting. So we want to assess where you are at now and then set a goal for where you want to go. And that is really the first step to building a successful business. So start there and then build your own adventure from there. Do you want to join the club? Do you want to join Bee Club? You can get access to all the Bee Club content today for only $39.99 a month. As a member, you get access to all new and back library content. New content drops monthly and monthly live group coaching calls that will be hosted by me to deep dive and answer questions and help you troubleshoot. So join Bee Club today. Come and join the club with us. You can get full access through the link in bio as always, or drop Bee Club in the comments and I'll send you the direct link to join us. I'll see you in the club.